All right, we're back again with Action Jackson, do another 360 walk around in Ray Automotive. And I'm here with a 2011 Volkswagen Jetta SEL. And SEL means loaded with everything. We've got the leather seats, we got the power windows and the power locks. We've got the navigation system in this vehicle, the Bluetooth audio controls on the steering wheel with the steering wheel controls. You've got heated seats on the inside. I love the look of the Jetta with the 17-inch alloy wheels on the outside. For safety purposes, the side indicator flasher on the mirrors, the fog lights on the front. This vehicle is ready to roll. It also has the daytime running lights on the Volkswagen product, but a very nice vehicle. A vehicle that's most definitely one that we will have serviced here at Volkswagen. More than likely one of our certified pre-owned inventory Volkswagens this vehicle will be. I can guarantee you that. We'll pop the trunk because there's tons of space in the Volkswagen as well. And I like it because you get tons of room in there. Volkswagen gives you what I call the best thing in the world because everybody else gives you one of those little extra spare tires. Well, Volkswagen goes a little extra step and they give you a full-size spare. So you gotta love that, all right? But you got the 60-40 split with the SEL Jetta. That also comes with some more convenience with the vehicle. But the main thing really is you got your armrest in the back, some cup holders, additional cup holders, as well as the two 12-volt outlets as far as charging your phones, as well as a USB outlet for all of you who are technically savvy. It has the iPads and the iPods and all that good stuff. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop the hood so you get a good view of the 2.5 liter engine. 2.5 liters is a 5-cylinder engine. Volkswagen loves that. Volkswagen does that because it gives you the best of both worlds. It gives you the fuel efficiency of a 4-cylinder, but the power of a V6. So that's 5 cylinders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing like German engineering, you gotta love it. But look, the man to see is me, Action Jackson, one of your sales managers here at Ray Mods of Volkswagen, Ray Automotive. I'm the man that can put you in this vehicle. Like I say, the deals are real here at Ray Automotive. And oh, push button start. I'm out of here. Until next time.
From Greystone to the river, come check out this vehicle and many more at rayauto.com. Call or stop by Ray Automotive, Zoo Exit, Greystone at Broad River, 2nd right, Columbia.